Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in Virginia. So here you can see there are three ways to apply for unemployment benefits. First is by applying online. So here you can follow this link from workforcewv.org's page. Now from here, just click on File a New or Additional Unemployment Claim. You will then be asked here, have you filed an unemployment claim in West Virginia within the past 12 months? So you can either answer yes or no. Then next, scroll down to the bottom, then click on the continue button. So from here, you will have to go through this CAPTCHA. And here you can see the documents that you need before you can start your application. That includes your social security number or SSN, your full address, and the employer name, address, phone number, and dates of employment for each of the employer that you worked with for the past 18 months. And if you are a member of a union hiring hall, you need the union name, address, name, and phone number of your union representative. And of course, you need your valid phone number and email address and the alien registration number, but this is only applicable for non citizens. And here are the requirements for those who served in the military. You need your DD 214. And for those who work in the federal government, you need your SF8 separation notice. And if your employer was FEMA, you must provide both an SF8 and an SF50. Once you have all these documents, you're now ready to apply. Just click on Start My Claim Now. Now here you can see the progress bar. So there will be a total of 9 on-screen prompts that includes questions that you will need to answer. Make sure that you answer each question accurately and correctly as possible. Another way to apply is by visiting a local office. So you can follow this link to see the nearest local office in your location. So from here, you can see the address and hotline that you can reach out or visit to start your application. Now, lastly, if visiting a local office still isn't possible, you can call on this hotline for assistance. You will then be guided through the process and given further instructions. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!